Install camera devices. Connect the camera cable. Take out the ruler, place the side with text facing down on the stage tape. Adjust the coarse and fine adjustments to bring the image into sharp focus. Click Settings and select the camera driver. Click Video, Calibrate, and select the 10x objective lens. Draw a horizontal line from left to right, then enter the actual length. Enter the current objective's lens magnification and click Save to complete.